I want to share with you a few box truck business loans with no social security number actually required. And I want to share with you the top 7 lenders you want to consider this year. So here's a list I want you to pay attention to. So if you are looking for a box truck business loan with no social security number required, think about TopMark Funding LLC. This is actually one of the biggest lenders in the industry. They're really fast too. They're really fast. So you are able to get approved real fast. And the cool thing is you can actually you can be pre-approved also. So in other words, you can actually see if you pre-qual for this box truck business loan. So you can actually get approved for a box truck business loan, no social security number required through TopMark Funding up to $250,000. So you're looking at a $250,000. So within 24 hours. And the cool thing here is that you can actually, with that amount, you can actually get a fleet. You can get a fleet of box trucks, not just one box truck, but also multiple ones. Okay. And the cool thing is that basically TopMark Funding will actually work with you to get you the money as soon as possible. And so whether you are in the market to finance a 26-foot box truck from a dealership or finance a used box truck from a private seller, basically TopMark Funding has got you covered. Okay. And so their box truck financing programs are designed to support well-qualified startups. So whether you are a startup owner or you are an owner operator, you are let's say an entrepreneur, you can actually find financing through TopMark Funding. Okay, so you are also able to get financing for small to medium-sized commercial box truck fleets. So this is really good. So you have a lot of possibilities with TopMark Funding. The cool thing here is that they do not ask you for your social, so that's really good, and you get approved within 72 hours. That's really good, 72 hours. And also, TopMark Funding actually also covers box truck leases, box truck lease purchase programs, box truck loans, startup box truck financing. So that's really so you do have a large variety of box truck loan, business loan financing options through this company. If you're looking for a box truck business loan, no social security number required, I want you to think about Truck Lenders USA. Now, the name says Truck Lenders, but they actually they lend also for box truck purchases, and so this is kind of cool. They do everything. And so if you want to finance your box truck, you want to consider Truck Lenders USA. So you are able to rely on a company that has been in business for many years now. Okay. And as a matter of fact, 3 decades. So 3 decades, that's really good. 30 years. They can finance new or used class 3 or class 6 cargo vans, sprinter vans, delivery vans, transit vans, and last mile and distribution vehicles. And also they offer competitive rates and a variety of options. So the cool thing about Truck Lenders USA is that they have a team in-house that will work with you they will ask you questions. They'll talk to you so they can actually find the lending program that best fits your needs. Okay. You also have basically this lender has received on Google pretty positive reviews. So the cool thing about Truck Lenders USA is that you have no financials required. So that's really good. No social security number required. You have a very easy, fast online application. 24-hour commercial loan approvals. So that's really good. You have personal support from their friendly, experienced team. So this is not a call center. This is basically someone calling you to ask you about your box truck loan and actually help you get your loan real fast. So if you have any question, you want to call right now Truck Lenders USA at 1-877-233-1475. The number is 1-877-233-1475. And you can actually start the whole application by going to their website and putting your first name, last name. The only thing is you cannot actually pre-qualify for a loan through Truck Lenders USA. You have to just put your first name, last name, your email, and phone number, and someone from the company will call you back. Okay, they'll call you back. But if you hit apply now, you are basically getting a hard pull right away. Next, if you're looking for the best box truck business loans, no social security number required, I want you to think about Balboa Capital. So Balboa Capital is a biggie when it comes to box truck financing in general, okay? And they've been around for many, many years now. And the cool thing is that Balboa is actually affiliated, not affiliated, attached, if you will, to a traditional bank. And the bank is Ameris Bank. So this is kind of cool. It tells you a lot about the solidity, the seriousness of this lender, okay? And with Balboa, you have all kinds of programs when it comes to a box truck business loan with no social security number required. So you have an application only for hard collateral up to $500,000. You have application only for soft collateral up to $350,000. And the cool thing is that once you are approved, same day of funding is available. So this is really good. You have an easy online application. With Balboa Capital, you have the possibility to get pre-approved. So that's really good. So a soft pull application process is possible. You have the possibility to call and speak to someone during normal business hours, and this is really good. And one thing I want to say is that when you think about Balboa Capital, their requirements are a little I mean, not strict, but a little let's say specific. So they look for a minimum of 1 year in business and $100,000, at least $100,000 in annual revenue. So this is really, but overall, they don't check your FICO score unless your business is a little special, quote unquote special. If that's the case, then they'll ask you for your social, and when they ask for your social, they require a minimum FICO score of 620, so 620. But with Balboa Capital, you have a financing for box trucks, cube trucks, dry vans, moving trucks, and more. Okay, so you have a lot of possibilities with this lender, and you are always able to close your loan real fast with Balboa Capital. So same day, again, like I said before, same day funding is available, which is really a rarity when you think about the fact that Balboa is actually affiliated with a bank, Ameris Bank. So that speed is really, really good. If you're looking for the best box truck business loans, no social security number required, I want you to think about National Truck Loans this year. So when you think about National Truck Loans, I want you to think about a very versatile lender, a lender that's very diverse in terms of the loan options they have. Also in terms of the possibility to close loans fast. Okay, so basically, the amount you get through national truck loans will depend upon the size of your fleet. I mean, not the size of the fleet. Let's say the size of the fleet you want to buy. Okay, and also the let's say the seniority of your business. Okay, so new box truck can cost anywhere from $25,000 to $90,000, depending on their condition, model, age, and performance. And National Truck Loans will accompany you through that. Also, if you are looking for let's say light duty truck, the price will fall under $25,000 to $45,000. But also here, National Truck Loans will accompany you, while heavy duty trucks can go as high as $50,000 to $90,000 or even $100,000. And basically, National Truck Loans will help you there as well. Okay. Now their process is pretty easy. Basically, you are able to get pre-approved. Okay, so there is a form online. So you just fill the form to see if you are pre-approved, or if you want to speak to someone. Basically, you want to call a number. You want to call 855-562-6875. Let me repeat that. I'm gonna put this on the screen. So the number is 855-562-6875, or you can just email info@nationaltruckloans.com. So that's actually the best way for you to kick off the conversation and actually see how much you can qualify for. And so the thing is that basically National Truck Loans does have a detailed, they do have a detailed, let's say a methodical type of paperwork they want to see. They want to see a detailed business plan. They want to see insurance paperwork. They want to see your CDL, your tax returns, and so that's really the gist of it. If you're looking for the best box truck business loans, no social security number required, I want you to think about commercial fleet financing. So this is another player, and so they have a box truck financing for you. And the cool thing about the CFF is that basically you have zero down financing possible, so you are able to get financing with no money down. You can get cash in hand in as little as 24 hours. You have a quick and easy application process, and you also have the possibility to be pre-approved. So the cool thing is that the possibility of having soft pull is really cool. Okay, so one thing I want to say here is that you are able to get your cash real fast through CFF, no matter how much you want. The CFF can actually finance all the way to $1 million. So this is really good, $1 million. And what I want to say here is that they've been doing this. CFF, that's commercial fleet financing, has been in the industry for nearly 30 years. They actually started in 1995, so it's been nearly 30 years that they've been in this business. This is really good. And through CFF, you have a fast financing process for box truck fleets. Okay, so you have the application, you have review and approval, financing and options, funding, and ongoing support. So once they actually advance the money to you, their support doesn't end when you sign on a dotted line. No, they go beyond and they go beyond the point of purchase to ensure that your fleet's financial needs are always being met. By the way, they finance also one box truck. Okay, it doesn't have to be 1, 2, 3, or 4 or 5. No, they will finance everything. They'll finance, like I said, they can finance all the way to $1 million. Sorry about that. So that's really good to actually go all the way to $1 million. So the good thing, the only thing is that you want to talk to someone at commercial fleet financing before you kick off anything. Okay. But the good thing is you do have with the CFF, you have a streamlined application process and app-based programs that minimize documentation requirements, allowing the company to provide quick financing solutions and actually reduce financing time. Fleet downtime also. If you're looking for the best box truck business loans, no social security number required, I want you to think about BNC Finance. This is another big player that does a lot of good things in the industry, and you will love the fact that BNC Finance introduces a specialized financing program for startups in need of box trucks. And the cool thing is this program is designed to assist new businesses, particularly those within their first 2 years, in acquiring the box trucks essential for their operations, be it logistics, delivery, and or commercial purposes. By the way, with BNC Finance, you can still get box truck financing even if you are an established business. If you've been in the industry for many years, they can still take care of you, not a problem. So you do have a lot of key benefits and features that the program at BNC Finance does have. For instance, you have 100% financing options, so you can secure full financing for your box trucks, minimizing the need for upfront capital. You have flexible terms up to 60 months, so that's really good. Think about it, 60 months, okay, 5 years. So you can create a repayment plan that suits your startup's budget and cash flow needs. You have a wide range of equipment financing, so you can finance a variety of box trucks catering to different business needs and specs. So that's really good. You also have within the BNC Finance business model, you have the possibility to choose from diverse financing plans that best fits your startup's requirements. You can also build business credit, so you can establish and improve your business credits through strategic financing. So what happens here is that BNC Finance will report your loan, your business loan, your box truck business loan to the business credit bureaus. So to Dun & Bradstreet, to Experian Business, but also to Equifax Business. Okay, you also have the possibility to pre-qualify, so you can actually test out what BNC Finance has to offer. You don't have with no commitment, right? Your social security number is not. They don't ask for your social security number. You just go through the process and see how much you can qualify for, if any. So that's really good. If you're looking for box truck business loans, no social security number required, I want you to think about First Commercial Credit. This is another big lender when it comes to box truck business loans with no social security number required, and they do accept A to D credit. In other words, they will take you even if you are in prime territory. So that's really good. They will approve you if you are a startup with at least 1 year of operational history, and large fleet financing is available through First Commercial Credit. Okay, the cool thing is that you have the possibility to get things done real fast and also be pre-qualified through this lender. Okay, so what I want to say here is that you have the possibility to always talk to someone. So if you have any questions, you can talk to someone before you start anything. And the First Commercial Credit can provide your business with financing any type of new or used box truck. They can provide you the best rate and financing solutions with many options depending on your business qualifications. And they offer financing rates starting at 8.9% to 14.9% for businesses over 2 years in business and good credit. They also offer financing solutions for newer companies under 1 year in business, or even have challenge credit. So that's really good. Okay, and so what are the types of commercial box trucks that First Commercial Credit finances this year? They do have a variety of vehicles. So they have a light duty box truck, cube trucks, medium duty box trucks, cutaway trucks, refrigerated trucks, dry cargo vans. So that's really good. And they offer approval for all kinds of credit profiles. Okay, so that's really good, especially when it comes to financing possibility. One thing I want to say real fast is that you are able to get a credit decision in 3 hours or less. You're able to have electronic documents signed, so you don't have to really go to an office to really take care of paperwork. And you also have application in minutes, so it takes less than 4 to 5 minutes to actually complete the whole application through First Commercial Credit. So that's really good. So what's the bottom line? In today's conversation, I spoke to you about the best box truck business loans, no social security number required. I give you the list and now the bottom line. The list: TopMark, Truck Lenders, BBO Capital, National Truck Loans, Commercial Fleet Financing, BNC Finance, and First Commercial Credit. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.